Good morning. My name is Ruben Blanco. My presentation and to talk about my professional profile. My personal profile is given by one married with two daughters, resident of city of Envigado, Antioquia, Journal of the National Army, undergrad student, right 10th semester. Independent labor activity. Projection. A labor projection in the area of the tax law, requiring contribution with social responsibility in the two professional fields. In the same way, provide the opportunities to people interested in their personal development. And finally, share knowledge in the academy. Thank you very much for your attention.